Well, most of it. Hi. Hello, my name is Stan and I'm Sail Croatia representative working here for 3 years, and welcome to the life of the rep. I'm starting with the welcome speech, introduction, the crew, and after the welcome speech is the lunch time and time to navigate. Welcome to the life of Sail Croatia Rep. We are checking in for 2.5 hours. Yes.
Are you Sail Croatia?
Yes. Which boat? Just straight. Walk straight and go straight.
Okay, so we just hit.
Yeah, just straight. Have a lovely trip. Very funny story from Explorer. It's adventure, you know. People need to get relaxed and so. Welcome aboard. Everything will be organized, and I will be here, the main guy for everything. So whatever you need, just came up to me, advise me, and so on. Enjoy, girls. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Enjoy. I enjoy the guests. The guests always for me are the number ones. Because when you spend 24/7 on the small boat with somebody, you become a big family. It's nice. The guest satisfaction gives me satisfaction. So who is single and ready to mingle? This is a story. Girls, boys, communication is the key. With the reason I'm very sweaty, because this is the sunniest place in Croatia. 40 Celsius, more than 2,720 sunny hours in a year. It's really cold. There's no celebrity who wasn't on Hvar. A lot of celebrities, I must say. Each year more and more. Prince Harry, Keanu Reeves, Ellen DeGeneres, Portia de Rossi, Tom Cruise, Hayden Panettiere, Vladimir Klitschko, Victoria's Secret model, they were all here. Honey, you cannot be wet inside the saloon. You need to go out. A big organization, you need to control the group. Let's go, guys! My main thing is just to control them, and I think I control them really well. So when I'm taking the photo, you're not watching at me. And then hashtag Sail Croatia, one of the most beautiful pictures. Sail Croatia! So you can stay here, chill out a little bit, take photos, and who wants to know the history can follow me to the dungeons. Georgia, I'm going to the dungeons if your people are interested. It's a typical day in the life of a rep. Okay, dungeons, people, let's go.